show you about everything. Come on. I'll show you what it means. Oh, boy. Welcome to the Backyard Beach. I'm here to tell you about from Nickelodeon. Now, let me think. Let's see. How can I learn just about the Backyard Beach? Let me think about the backyard things. Don't you love that? But it's very awesome.
That is what you get when you fool around with a Texas Twister. Y'all better stay down now, you hear? Y'all mess with the bull, you get the horns. I spin around, you go down. That's what I call a round and round roundhouse.
Listen up, people in the beach, yeah. Phineas and Ferb in the backyard beach, yeah. Every morning, Phineas, he gonna say, brother, what you gonna do today? Now you see we having fun playing under the sun. Get in line, cause the wet ski is running. A backyard beach. Nothing's out of reach, we got the backyard beach. You can change in a broken hut, drink out of a coconut, drinking for a token, but the rest is free. You got skiing, parasailing, surfing and a flailing. Your contacts need sailing, or else you can't see. Got the backyard beach, a backyard beach. Nothing's out of reach, got the backyard beach. Got the backyard beach, a backyard beach. Don't fall into the breach, got the backyard beach. Listen up, people in the beach, yeah. Phineas and Ferb in the backyard beach, yeah. Every morning, Phineas, he gonna say, brother, what you gonna do today? Now you see we having fun playing under the sun. Get in line, cause the wet ski is running. A backyard beach. Nothing's out of reach, we got the backyard beach. You can change in a broken hut, drink out of a coconut, drinking for a token, but the rest is free. You got skiing, parasailing, surfing and a flailing. Your contacts need sailing, or else you can't see. Got the backyard beach, a backyard beach. Nothing's out of reach, got the backyard beach. Got the backyard beach, a backyard beach. Don't fall into the breach, got the backyard beach.
Oh, gee. It's getting late. I better go home and I think Llama? Oh, gee. I better go get her. Oh. Hey, Llama. What's going on? Yes, Llama, I know. I know it's getting late now, Llama. We should go to bed now, Llama. Let's go home. Okay, Llama. Let's go home. It's time for bed now, Llama.